Hello people, today I wanted to show you how I was able to fix one of the errors when you use Acronis Backup Advanced. There's error which I have to show to you. The error details backup addon, agent protection addon error. I will tell you how I was able to fix it, and you will be able to fix. First of all, you go to options, default backup and recovery options, and we have to change provider. I believe we have to use system provider. I will have to edit my backup plan task because I got a drive. I have to use one of the drives to do backup. Okay, I need a little bit more space. I'm thinking if I should remove Windows 8.1 backup, I will have to. Okay, never mind, because I was thinking to remove one of the unnecessary files because my backup will be quite large. I need a little bit of space before I do backup. This is not enough because my hard drive. In the past I published a video and this error came up not because of not enough space, but I will tell you now what I did. Because we got a service and we have to adjust our service. Because this does not belong to administrator, system administrator. I already did that. This is our file, which is to do with that service. By default, it is being managed by this service. I will show you now. I will have to run services. Log on. Local system account. Before, it was belonging to Acronis. Find now. Acronis agent. If you get error like that, unfortunately, I will have to do something about that because in the past, or if you get error message, because by default the service belongs to Acronis, but you can change to local system account if you get that error. I will show you portable format document. Acronis backup using Microsoft volume snapshot service instead of Acronis service. Because what they tell you, because sometimes Acronis fails to do snapshot. So you can run a snapshot as administrator. I will tell you, find Acronis managed machine is running under account with administrator rights. This is quite important. Oh, we didn't. You will have to hit Win plus R. Windows plus R. Then you can run services. Wait a minute. Nothing came up. If you get error about which one I was talking about, change you can change administrative privileges. I will explain to you. Where is detail? This is what we needed to fix. Agent protection add-on error is not because you haven't got enough space. Hopefully, after I show to you, I will be able to fix that. You click my right mouse button, log on option, and you switch to local system account. And you will have to restart a service. After that, you will be able to do full backup, but I will have to delete some of our files, some of my files, because I still haven't got enough space. I keep lots of photographs, so I will have to delete some of the files. Because I need space, and after that I will be able to show to you what I will be selecting to do successful backup. I also have to copy name of the backup which is on my desktop. This will be backup part 3. I always put in further date to be able to do that. This is our drive M. And okay, I will have to check my settings because this will tell you exact settings and exact hour. I will have to check edit. I will have to check my settings. Then we can run our backup priority. You can also avoid the bad sectors. Multi-volume snapshot. I have to switch to system provider. Hopefully this will work without any issue. If you still get error message, you can switch to Acronis provider. Okay. Where to back up? I forgotten to select that. Again, this drive M. Oh, where is my name? I cannot see. Sometimes it is important to check our name. The newest backup, the newest backup, administrative privileges. Sorry if I write down not from early because I am from Holland and I can't remember this name, privileges. This is what we need to run. In a minute I will show to you. Run that one. I will have to check if no errors come up because I'm not sure if my backup will be working without any problems. Give me a few seconds and all files will be stored here. You also have to wait when this log file disappears. Even if backup will be completed, you will still have to wait when this file will be gone. When this file be gone, because this is important file. I had to wait a couple minutes before that file disappeared, even if you complete backup. I no longer get this error message, but what you have to do, I will explain to you, because we got service Acronis managed machine service. That one, that file has to be run in administrative privileges. to avoid that error what I was talking about before. You were getting this error because you didn't run this service in administrative privileges. That is why I was getting that error message. I hope you like my newest video. I was able to run backup without any problems.